Hi, Dave Gubler with IML Real Estate, and I'm here answering a question that I'm getting a lot lately from homeowners, which is it a good time to sell? And or another version is it a seller's market? So let's take a look at the data and come to our conclusion. This is active listings in Orange County, all property types, and we're starting here in 2008. We're above 18,000 homes for sale at one point in May of 2008. And as you can see, from 2008 all the way to present day, where we're sitting at just above 3,000 homes for sale in Orange County, that, over the course of those years, we've been in a very steady decline in available homes. So there are a lot of reasons for that. That's a subject of another video, but it suffice to say that we've seen this decline in available inventory for a long time now, and probably not going to go away in the near future. Again, subject of another video entirely. Okay, so that's in a seller's favor right there, is that you've got less competition, right? You've got fewer other homes for sale that a buyer could choose. Another indicator that we like to watch, this is from 2020 and on, is the days on market. So here we're looking at the median days on market in Orange County from pre-pandemic. As you can see, we dropped dramatically. And, ever since then, due to the buyer demand, and we have just had a very short days on market. We did see that begin to creep up. So we reached our bottom April 2022, which coincides with just about the height of the market. And then since then, with interest rates rising, we have seen an increase in the days on market, back to a number of around 26 days on market in February. But there's a bit of trend in a different direction that we're seeing lately, and that is, for the month of March, a drop in that days on market. So those are two things. We look at the active listings, the inventory, that's the supply, and we look at how quickly these homes come into and go out of the market. That's beginning to decline again. And then, there are the interest rates, and apologize here, we're loading up. So, as most people know, the interest rates have risen. We reached a low point of approximately, 2.75, 2.5% on a 30-year fixed. And we're all the way up now to 6.32 for the average 30-year fixed mortgage rate. That kind of reached its peak, though, in the beginning of this year, 2023, and slowly went down, rose again, and then now for 3 weeks in a row, we've had declining interest rates. So that pattern is helpful to a seller, although still one to watch. We need to keep a close eye on what interest rates are going to do. And that's, again, a complicated factor that we should devote a little bit more time to on a separate video. But if you take that in whole, low inventory, shorter days on market, and softening interest rates, and the talk in the media, et cetera, about interest rates potentially softening. Yes, they'll probably go up a little bit more before they go down, but in general, it's understood that inflation is hopefully close to being tamed, and that rates will begin to glide down towards the end of 2023. And then we can see what's happening with prices. So we'll go all the way back to 2008 again, where in January of 2008, the average, median sale price was above 500,000, 539. And, from there, we've seen this long incline, this long increase in pricing, peaking in, mid 2022 at around $1,050,000 for the median sale price for a home in Orange County. That again includes condos and townhomes, so we're not differentiating here. We're just using the sum number. We saw that drop, of course, dramatically from that high point. And so we came off a high of $1,050,000. We dropped to $925 median sale price for a home in Orange County in December. But here at the tail end, from December to now, we're seeing it increase. So we've gone from a low point of 925 in December, and that median sale price is back up to 955 here at the end of March. Maybe another chart that'll illustrate that a little bit better. This is from pandemic and on, so this is 2020. Move to average sale price for our purposes. This is going to show the same trend, the same pattern, and that's again where we saw a big run up from 2020. So January 2020, we started at 909 and change average sale price for a home in Orange County, and we peaked in May at 1,357,000 and change, dropping down December to 1,212,000 and change. But again, something to keep track of is these last 3 months have been up. There's an upward trajectory, and we're up to 1,260,000. So that's almost $50,000 of appreciation on average for a home in Orange County. So I guess that's a long way of answering. It's probably what we'd still consider in general a seller's market. Is it as red hot as back here in May of 2022? No, of course not. But I will tell you anecdotally, I'm seeing a lot of traffic at open houses. I've seen a lot of traffic at listings when I show properties. And we're getting multiple offers. So I'm representing buyers right now, and we are still having multiple offer scenarios. It always depends. Your list price strategy is important. Your list preparation, how you've prepared the home is important. The desirability is very important. And not to stress it too much, but that list price that you go with and that strategy behind it is something that you need to develop carefully so that you do get the competition and you do get hopefully the multiple offers and extract best terms when you do go to sell your home. Hope that helps a little bit, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thank you.